After 1.5 year, I started getting hypertension, high blood pressure problem, because of which I started reporting sick a lot, and I was going for my flights pretty less, and I was kind of lagging behind. And that was the time when I started thinking to myself, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Prerna Chauhan, and all the people who are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the notification bell so that you can get the notification of my videos coming first on my channel. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing with you today the reasons. Was I terminated, was I thrown out of Jet Airways, or I quit myself? Okay, so to begin with, let me tell you all that I'm married, and I have already shared a video about that. And in 2014 I got married. So when in 2014 I got married, my husband also got a job in Pune, and he shifted from Bombay to Pune, and I was based out of Bombay itself. So what happened immediately after marriage, we both started living in two different cities, and it became a little difficult, because what happens, when you are newly married, you just want to be with each other, and you want to spend as much as a time that you get with each other. And I was somehow kind of not getting that time, and because of that, what I was doing is that whatever time I was getting in between the flights, that that off day, and especially after international flights, we used to get 2 days off, I used to rush to Pune, and I used to spend those 2 days with my husband, and then used to go back to Bombay and would do my flights. But somehow what was happening is that I was keeping a very little gap between me reaching Bombay and going for my flight. I used to just get ready and just rush for my flight. What was happening because of that? My health was taking a big toll on itself. I started falling sick often. My headaches were growing, and there were lots of things that were happening. And another reason why I was getting my health was taking a toll on itself, because I was shuttling between Bombay and Pune, not by air but by bus. Okay, so it used to take me 3.5 hours to reach home, and then 3.5, 4 hours. You know how Bombay traffic is. I used to reach home after 4 hours of traveling. So it was like too much of it. And then after that, I used to go on my flights and used to operate my flights, long international flights, and especially those Gulf sectors. They used to really take a toll on our physical stamina and physical fitness and everything, whatever you can understand of that. And that was happening with me also, but I was not realizing it. And after 1.5 year, I started getting hypertension, high blood pressure problem, because of which I started reporting sick a lot, and I was going for my flights pretty less, and I was kind of lagging behind. And that was the time when I started thinking to myself, and I discussed it with my husband, I discussed it with my in-laws also, and they said that probably it's time for you to kind of say bye to Jet and quit yourself. I was not terminated, I was not thrown out, I quit Jet by myself because of this reason. Another reason for me, which was of course constantly used to run in my head, was that because we were living in two different cities, most of the communication used to be through mobile phones and calls, WhatsApp and all that. And what happens when you have kind of just gotten into an institution of marriage, you would definitely want to spend the beginning years of marriage with each other, so that you can get that kind of understanding about each other and strengthen the bond between you. But I did not get that at that time, and we were fighting a lot, and there was so much of stress between both of us, because probably sometime it was difficult for me to believe if he's lying or he's telling me the truth about his whereabouts and all that stuff. So of course it is not something that it was actually happening. It always used to be in my head, and somehow because of that those questions and that suspicious nature that I had gotten into, we end up used to fighting a lot, and I wanted to say bye to that, because I didn't want to kind of bring that kind of stress and tension into my relationship. So these are the reasons why I quit Jet, and I was like, it's time for me to just get back to my basic life, and I've already spent 10 years with Jet, and maybe it's time for me to start my family life and be with my husband, and maybe do something else apart from flying. So these are the reasons why I left Jet, guys. And if you have any questions or you have anything that you would like to share, please mention in the comment section, which I keep saying, but you do not mention that, you do not write, guys. I am really trying to keep up, and because my channel is not doing that great. Probably you guys are not watching my videos, so this is what basically I wanted to share, guys. So thank you so much for listening. All right, so bye bye, guys.